Hello, this is Johnny. I just went and added another game in here, and also just letting you guys know that instead of working on my arcade one up countertop, I have switched my priority to the new hack, which is the Neo-Geo Arcade Pro Stick. I'm going to be adding 129 more game to it, which will be a full version of the Neo-Geo. 190 game was you guys get 148, so by the time I finish with it, you probably will be getting 234 more game. Nothing but Neo-Geo solid game. Okay, I already got the image done. I already find out which one was missing, and so it's roughly about, I think, 129 game. So stay tuned for that. And just letting you know, when you have enough space to add this one in, because of removing the SamShodown5 Special, and plus Metal Slug 2, since you already have Metal Slug 5 already, because 5 is the update of the 2, and not 5, I mean 10, Metal Slug 10. So it makes sense. So I remove Metal Slug 2, and then also alright, so let me get out this one. Just want to quickly show you that worked. And this one will be in the setting, so you just go up, go to setting. This is a 25, give me 1 second, here you go. It's a 28.5 new game added to the list. The other two is the same. This one is got 2 games removed because we removed Metal Slug 2 and SamShodown5 Special. So I removed that one to able to give you guys more space to able to add, different game in here. I think it still have enough space to add one more game. I mean, I think if you remove SamShodown 5 as well, just 1 to 4 without the 5 or 5 Special, you should able to add up to 120 something. At least more than 100 something, not just 98. Right now it's only 98 game. So some of those games take up a lot of space. SamShodown 5 and 5 Plus Special, I mean, those take up a lot of space. So SamShodown 5 still work. So this is all the game on the first screen, which is the what they call it, SamShodown Special Edition, that have this triangle shape. So I try to be consistent. So all the SamShodown game is all in the triangle shape. This is for the blue, red, white, smoke black, and did I mention all the color? All the color, that they all have the same 40 games. So there's nothing special about it, just the color, the physical color of the Neo-Geo Mini. Okay, so all the game is here for SamShodown, and I removed 2 of them to give you more space, because we have people now. If you don't want to, if you want to keep the SamShodown, then the 40 game, then go back to the one that say 40 games SamShodown. Okay, that one will have all 40 games, but it won't have this this one's still the same, the 29 game. This is the only one that is different. So I put all the new game that I just added into this folder, so that way it'll be easy to find them. So you have Final Special, the soccer game, this game as well, Viewpoint, puzzle game, 94, 95, 96, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. So 2003 is here. Somebody was asking where's the King of Fighter 2003. And World Hero 2 Jacked. So the other World Hero is not here, just the part 2. The 2 of the World Hero. and Art of Fighting is here, Star Trooper, and Metal Slug 4, 5, and 10. Okay, and then another puzzle, and here's that game right here. Here's a 1994. Let's demonstrate that because I didn't demonstrate that last time. Press start. Now on the Neo-Geo, you're gonna be doing the same thing. The Neo-Geo game, what you call it, the arcade stick. Matt Little Pixel already did a video on it. So those of you who wanted to know how to install it, you could go to Matt Little Pixel channel. He did a very good video already. Somebody already sent him a link, and so he went and checked it out and did a video on it. So I won't be doing a video showing you how to install it because since he already did it, I probably would just give you a quick video and show you what was added. And so you guys could go and get that new image. I'll be adding a 129 game to the Neo-Geo Pro stick. And I'm going to try to stay on a Neo-Geo version instead of using Final Burnout. But if I cannot run the game with the Neo-Geo emulator, I will move it to the Final Burnout, because I do know the Final Burnout will work on all the Neo-Geo game. So I'll be adding those in there. Okay, so now I know I didn't demo. Let me go ahead and demo it. How to get the what I'm doing. Press B. Okay. So once you started the bio, you press A to select it. You have that V jump from top to the bottom, then press the start button. You have to do the same thing with the arcade stick, the Neo-Geo arcade stick. The start button is on your right hand side, okay? So in case you guys are wondering how come it doesn't work, here is the part where you press A, B, and C. You could change in the beginning of the screen. You could go into reason set. So if you press A here, you could choose A for Japan, B for United States, okay? So if you want the USA, you press B. And then you get to choose either arcade or console AES. The arcade is the MVS, like Mary vs. Sam. So MVS is the arcade version. So if you want to do the arcade, just press A. If you want to do the console, it's AES. So I'm going to do arcade. Alright, and that's it. And then press C to get out. Or no, B to get out. Is it B or C? I forget. Wow, what's... Oh, I'm pressing the one button. I'm pressing the D button instead of C button. Sorry. Yeah, press C to get out of that screen. So the bowling is... I messed up. Foul! This is kind of fun, you know. Well, it is fun. It's just you have to aim it correct. I aim it wrong again. Going to the right now. Not doing very good. A little bit better. Still not good enough. Ah, still miss. Alright, you can see I'm not good at this game. Alright, so exit out, press A. Now let me see if I could focus this better. So as you can see, the background actually have Neo-Geo Neo-Geo screen, you know, like the console. Okay, that's where you put the cartridge in, and the reason it doesn't look that clear because I don't know if you can see the background. It's actually a Neo-Geo console. This is where the cartridge is. So if you was to go to setting, you can see that this is actually a console. Okay, and then there's a picture, and that's why it's a Neo-Geo. It's a black console. It's a black console, so you cannot. I'm trying to focus it. See, as you can see, that's actually a cartridge. Okay, and this is inserting to the Neo-Geo. So I thought that is a pretty cool background. But if you plug this to a TV, it will have a different one. It will have the one that the guy gave me from the Mad D. He gave me a different background, which is also very cool, and I like it. So if you plug this to a TV, this background will be different. Okay, just FYI. So let me go back to this again. So whenever you choose the game you want to be in, you just press A. Okay. All right. Let me demonstrate another one that didn't demonstrate. Neo-Geo Club 98. It also worked. That's the one that was a request by a viewer. Now there's two other games from two different viewers from two different games. Those games will not work on Neo-Geo because they are not part of Neo-Geo Mini. So I mean not Neo-Geo game set. Those are more like Capcom's game and arcade game. So it will not work on this system yet. Now you guys might be wondering, well, Neo-Geo Pro is already out. Why Neo-Geo Mini is still not out yet? Hylo is working on it. He's calling this hack called HyloEngine. So it's not joystick fix hack, okay? Because before I didn't know what to call it, but I was confirmed that they want to call it HyloEngine Hack for this one, okay? So he's working on trying to get retro art or something to work on this. I don't know exactly what he's doing. I heard that he's trying to export the Neo-Geo Pro stick to this system. So right now there's no USB support. So any arcade game that you want to play on this system is not available yet. Okay? So those of you who are wondering, it's not out, it's not ready yet. Wow, there's a lot of options here before you can play the game. Neo-Geo make a lot of cool game. Special like sports game is very realistic. And that's why a lot of people like it. Hey, where's my character? Is this thing playing without me or? Alright, I'm not good at this game. Alright, let's exit out. Okay, and Dodgeball, I think that was the first one I demonstrate. And let's demonstrate this one again. So just select the one you want, press A, press start. Alright, let's start the game. This one's real cool because the graphic is very 3D. You know, and you get to shoot all these dinosaurs. This one was never released on Neo-Geo Mini, so, but it's part of the Neo-Geo game set. That's why a lot of people want this game, because I didn't even know this game worked until somebody told me about it, because last time I tested it didn't work. But it seemed like this new hack, a lot of games that I couldn't get it working before with the old hack version 1, I was able to get it working with the HyloEngine Hack. So this is called HyloEngine Hack, the name of it. So it's working well. Ooh. So it's pretty cool. Alright. Now let's look at the last one, the game list, which is the one which is 29 game. That one have nothing really changed. So you got the Super Baseball Professional, Corsair, SNK vs Capcom, Captain Tom, Golf, Goes, whatever, Last Resort, Magical Drop, some Mahjong game, Money Puzzle, Mutant, alright. Neo Bumperman. See, this one is here already. Somebody told me that I need to put that in there. So we add this game twice, one on this list and one on the other list. Okay, so that is the same game, just repeated twice. Okay, you can have the game repeated twice if you want. It doesn't hurt anything. It's just a game list that you added. That's it. The game is only 1 copy. There's no 2 copy on that game. Okay, here's some cool game here too as well. And some of this game here is also requested by the viewer that they want to be added, so that's why the game is here. Alright. Okay, that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. If any question, let me know. Okay, bye bye.